Hi, my name's Linda Hess. I am the group manager for our channel sales for Canada and the US. I'm representing Panasonic Projectors and Displays Americas at the TD SYNNEX InVision show. Today we are showing our MEVIX brand that we debuted at Infocom. It's our media entertainment visual transformation, our sub-brand for Panasonic Projectors and Displays Americas. Today we are showing and representing all of our projector lineup from 3,800 lumens to 50,000 lumens, a full lineup of 3 LCD, 1 chip DLP, and 3 chip DLP. We have a full lineup of displays as well, from 43 inch to 98 inch. Later on this year, we are going to be debuting our 137 and 165 all-in-one DV LED, including trim kit, mount, processor, and power. If you want any more information from Panasonic, please contact connect.panasonic.com.